Painterly
Yes.
Florals transfer, and I haven't used it yet, so I'm really excited. The Painterly Florals
Me too.
is an 8 sheet. So you get the, wrong way, sunflowers. And we have put a loose layer of sandy blonde on here.
Yep.
So what I'm going to do is stain the edges of the board with the Dark and Decrepit. So what I want to do is, you know, accentuate the boards. So I'm going around the edges and the top. And I want more on it. And now I'm just going to lightly.
Oh yeah, look at that pretty brown wood greeny look it's giving you. Oh, that's so pretty.
And it doesn't all have to go in the same direction. I think I want to add some sandy blonde. Did you leave some over there?
You do?
So I don't know if you guys can see what this is doing. It's lightening up that middle.
Yes.
So for the top part, I couldn't decide, which means I'm using both.
Okay.
Mermaid Tale and Old 57.
So now
I'm going to use them both. So I'm going to put them both on my plate. So there we go. You can see the differences between the two. I don't want it to be perfect. I am going to drip a little bit, but if you look at the samples, it's more of a splatter than it is a drip. And then this really is the only one that seems to be centered. And I want...
How many, did you say there was 2 pages of sunflowers? Or
Yeah,
6 altogether?
and there's more stems. Some of the stems are on the other pages. So this is the IOD Painterly Florals Transfer.
Yes.
It has flowers, roses, lavender, stems. And I like that this one is in the blue and the raw wood.
Yes.
I think we made a good choice with the way the sunflowers are going.
Yep.
And sealing this is going to brighten up the paint and everything else.
Yep.